सलाल, आप हमें आगाह करें कि किस तरह से आपका जो स्टार्टअप है, आया वो बिल्कुल यूनिक या मुनफरिद सॉल्यूशन लेकर आ रहा है, और आपका मेन फोकस क्या होगा, क्योंकि क्लाइमेट एक्शन में बहुत सारे सब्जेक्ट्स आते हैं. सो व्हाट आर यू गोइंग टू फोकस ऑन?
Ji, thank you very much, Ariba, and an excellent question, and thank you for the kind introduction. AHIA comes from our vision is to facilitate our region's transition towards net zero with accuracy, transparency, and economic growth. और जिस तरह आपको मालूम है, अब climate change is the only agenda that the world stands united on, and Pakistan, along with other countries, has some nationally binding commitments of reducing our emissions by 50% of business as usual. I think इसमें जो हमारी enterprises हैं उनके लिए सबसे बड़ा challenge आता है, because जो पाकिस्तान का मसला है regarding emissions is a problem of emissions intensity. मतलब कि हमारी overall emissions इतनी ज़्यादा नहीं है. It's primarily inefficiencies in private sector enterprises, which is what needs to be solved. और enterprises के लिए, हमारे enterprises के लिए, in order to remain relevant and instill confidence in buyers, suppliers, and foreign investors, and keeping up with regulatory pressures and sustainability reporting standards, जो सबसे बड़ा challenge आता है, which is around the measurement of emissions. So at AHIA, we're an end-to-end climate software player, which helps our private sector measure, report, reduce, and analyze their emissions in line with global sustainability standards, while also helping them receive access to climate financing from voluntary carbon markets. और इसमें जो पाकिस्तान के लिए सबसे बड़ा potential है, which is from the access to climate finance via voluntary carbon markets, this has a potential to generate up to $3 to $5 billion in FDI and foreign exchange.
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए.